Hi, it's Carolyn from Gate 39 Media. Videos are popular for a reason. Hands down, it's the way most people prefer to consume content online. If you have a YouTube channel with your company's explainer videos, product demos, special interviews, and relevant content that your website visitors would benefit from, you should also be embedding these videos into a resource library page within your website. Here are 5 reasons why you should include a video library in your website. Number 1, storytelling. Video gives you a chance to tell a story, and stories create an emotional response. People make some of their most important decisions based on how they feel about a product or service, not necessarily on price or any other metric. Number 2, videos can help reduce bounce rates and increase a visitor's time on a page. Videos embedded into your website can encourage people to stay longer on your site. The longer they stay, the better chance you have to convert them into paying customers. In other words, the value of video isn't just about the content in the video. It's also about boosting engagement from your site visitors. Number 3, videos are good for SEO. Google prioritizes websites with video. Even if you're already ranking high, having relevant and useful videos in your website helps you to continue to rank high and helps your site appear in more searches. Number 4, video is visual, compact, and convenient. Video gives you access to a whole audience that might not have otherwise called or made an appointment. It's a way to capture today's consumers' short attention spans and help them make critical buying decisions. And number 5, video can speak directly to viewers who are in different stages of the buyer's journey. A video library in your website can be organized to speak to different types of viewers. Video content can be customized with tailored messages and insight that speak to those who are in the awareness, consideration, and decision stages of the buyer's journey. For more tips and tricks on optimizing your inbound content, be sure to check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining.